Here I have OPPO F9 and let me show you how to record screen on the following device. So, if you would like to record your screen, let's use upper bar. Let's do it twice and let's here tap on the start screen recording, tap OK to confirm it. Let's allow screen to recording photos, media, etc. Tap allow a couple of times and here we go to the counter. So right now you just start recording your screen, so you can do some actions and just record them. If you would like to stop, let's use the stop button right here. The screen recording file has been saved, so that's what we need. Now if you would like to watch your video, let's open here the photos and here you can see the today's video right here. Tap OK and here you've got your video. So that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.